Welcome back to Scrively. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to make advanced edits to your images in the editor. To get started, click Edit Illustration at the top left or right of your image. Then select Advanced Edit. At the top of the page, you'll see your page text for reference. Below that, you'll find the illustration prompt that was originally used to generate the image. You can copy this prompt if needed. Next, enter your updated image prompt. Be as detailed as possible and describe exactly how you want the illustration to appear on the page. If your image includes one or more characters, be sure to mention them in your prompt. Select the appropriate character reference image. If you reference a character in your prompt but haven't selected their reference images, Scrively will display a reminder telling you to add them before saving. You can also select a reference page whose illustration should visually match your new image. When you're ready, click Save Override. Once your override is saved, Scrively will begin generating a new illustration based on your custom prompt. Not satisfied with the results, click Undo to revert the changes. Want to restore them, click Redo. If you return to the Advanced Edit view, you'll also find a Remove Override option in the bottom left. This removes your custom image override. Join us in our next tutorial where we'll show you how to make changes to your book's back cover